The fast-spreading Zucco Valley wildfire was doused following joint efforts by the Indian Air Force and the National Disaster Relief Force. 2 helicopters were also deployed to undertake the Bambi Bucket operation. The Bambi Bucket allows the pilot to select drop patterns for bushfires to canopy fires. Here's a report.
The Zucco Valley wildfire was doused in a joint operation by the Indian Air Force and the NDRF.
Following consistent effort after 5 days, the wildfire at Zucco Valley in Nagaland-Manipur border has been brought under control.
This comes following the intervention by Home Minister Amit Shah, who over a call assured all help to the Chief Minister Biren Singh.
Day before yesterday, I went to aerial survey, and after that, the Honorable Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji called me, and the initiation what he was taken up today is because of him. And already NDRF people has already arrived at the spot, and 2-3 helicopters are using to douse the fire. And as of now, the Manipur side, the Mao, there is a village called Mao. It was approaching towards the Mao, but somehow it has been stopped.
2 helicopters with collapsible Bambi buckets were deployed at the wildfire site, along with 60 NDRF personnel. Flames had engulfed the Zucco Valley earlier this week, destroying the flora and fauna at the Manipur-Nagaland border.
We have already stationed around 100-150 experts, firefighters, there at the camp. And the area, unfortunate part is that the area is not the habitat area. It is a really, really beautiful, it is a mainly tourism place.
Drones will now be used to evaluate the impact of the wildfire at the Zucco Valley, which is a prominent tourist spot in the region.
Meanwhile, the State Disaster Response Force as well as other state mercenaries are also working round the clock in order to douse the fire. It is being expected that the fire will be completely brought under control by tomorrow.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.